It is very early. It is 7 a.m. and I am getting ready to go with Julian and his family to a waterfall and stuff like that. So I will hopefully not forget to film and not just take pictures. The lighting's really good. I have my Christmas lights that I have hung up all over my walls on, so this is pretty good light. I don't know if I'm gonna focus or not. Okay. But yeah, I will hopefully remember to film. And yeah.
Have y'all been before now?
Okay.
See that waterfall, Bailey?
Because there's some in caves.
Let me tell you, shotgun going off, a rifle going off.
I'll tell you one of the scariest things, and Julia, I know you've heard this story 100 times, but we were in my white Jeep on the way to Tuscaloosa. On the way to Tuscaloosa, a semi on the other side of the interstate blew a tire.